What's happening, y'all? Atkins Fabrication and then some. Pete here. How y'all doing out there today, man? Hey, I love y'all. First, let me start out by saying that we're at 102 subscribers. Atkins Fabrication and then some. Listen, the goal now is recover the world, right? I'm tired of dealing with these treatment facilities that don't really care about the people, man. They care about the money, bro. That's all they care about is the money, man. Yo, listen, I'm a life, bro. If you're going to be in this, you're going to be in this to save my life. Or I don't want you in it with me. All these treatment facilities out here, all they want is the money, man. They see us as cash, bro. That's it. That's all they see us as. It's cash, right? So I think it's time to formulate a plan here to make it to where when brothers and sisters go in and get treatment, that they get the treatment that they need. They don't just get fed medication. You know, personally, I feel like methadone should be outlawed, right? Because I know if I wanted to get on methadone, it's because I still want to use the smacks, right? You know you can. Perks, all that. You know you can do all that. Lean, whatever, right? With rappers nowadays, they're dope fiends too, right? I ain't scared to say nothing. Rappers are dope fiends too. $5,000 a week. I heard Lil Baby say he spends on lean. God damn, bro. You put me to shame, and I was shoving smack in my arm left and right. Like, good God almighty. And it's a rapper. This who our kids idolize. They see this. They want to be this. You think they don't want to lean too? Come on, bro. What type of image are you setting? That's the problem with our society today. The people that look cool are fucked up. Now, we ain't here for this. But I just wanted to announce Recover the World. Atkins Fabrication, and then some. We're going to work hard to do it, bro. No, it ain't feasible, right? We know we can't get everybody out of addiction, right? I mean, addiction for me is my tools now. All right? So, let's say it like this. I know addiction is a tough thing to get out of. You substitute one for another normally. But lesser or greater evils too, huh? But don't trade one drug for another. Don't use one drug. You know, a lot of people I notice, they go get on meth. Some of the people that I know go get on meth because if they ain't got their gate shot money in the morning, at least they got their meth. If they can't come up with no money throughout the day, at least they got their meth. It'll hold them. But if they can get extra, and you know, lame boy. Yo, there's mothers out there who are losing children, yo. I talk to this mother right now, man, and I'm telling you what, bro, she breaks my goddamn heart, bro. Like, I just want to hug this one. I don't even know this woman, bro. And I just want to hug her so tight and tell her mom it's going to be all right. There's something in me, in my spirit, that wants to just hug this woman and tell her it's going to be all right, mom. It's a crying shame that our mothers got to stay up late at night waiting for that phone call, man. It breaks my heart. I worked so hard to get to where I am today to make my mother and my stepfather proud of me, yo, and I don't even have them in my life anymore. Huh. Breaks my heart, bro. But it is what it is. God does what he does for a reason. And if that's his reason, if he has a reason behind, I know he has a reason behind it. He does everything for a reason. Your will be done. And that's all I can say. I back up from there. I rest. Now, we're here today to talk about the next project that I told you I had coming. And here's the unveiling. Ta-da! You like that? Okay, so it's a little bit apart. I couldn't help myself. This is the arm that goes in here that holds it up. 2 bolts right here go to it. And I just took it apart so I could clean it up, because man, this bad boy was messed up and rusty, but we got her nice and clean now. She's got automatic grooves in her, one here and one here, and I believe that is for transport of oil, is what I believe that's for. Transport of oil when it's in motion. All right, so there's your arm. There's the arm that goes into the hacksaw. It's not very big either. It's a little tiny one. And I think it's awesome, man. It's just a little teeny tiny one, but it's gonna work. And here's the vise that it came with. The vise is also extra rusty. So we're gonna, we're gonna clean this up. And I don't know what's gonna go on with this yet. I can't say. I don't know if I'm going to keep the original stand to it or not yet. It's not that bad. I mean, it's got a General Electric little motor in it. That was the back side, or whatever, front side, whatever you want to make it. General Electric motor. It's probably a 1750 RPM. Oh no, I can't see it right now, but I need to figure out, like, is this a stop? I want to say this is a stop or something, or some kind of switch, maybe. I don't know. But it runs off a pulley, chain pulley back here. It runs. I already ran it once. It runs a little fast, and this was sticking a little bit because of how corroded with rust and gook. The arm was corroded bad, so I couldn't help myself. 2 screws. Slid it up out of there, took it over, threw the files on it, put it on the wire wheel. She's pretty. Oh yeah, she's pretty. Like fresh dough. Ha ha ha, yeah boy. Like fresh dough. Wow, we're gonna have to edit that because that made me look totally stupid, didn't it? Oh my goodness. I'm glad it, whoa. Well, didn't hit nowhere critical, at least. Huh? Hit that very top corner tip, boom, right there. And it busted more of the concrete up than it did do any damage to this, so thank ya. Let's put this down before we do something stupid. So, yeah, I don't know how far I'm going to break this down yet. I don't want to break it down definitely and get it cleaned up. I don't know how far I'm going to break this down. I'm definitely not going to do no painting to it, but I am going to break it down and clean it up. And we're going to try to get us a new belt for this. Maybe use one of them green belts. That might work too. One of them green belts. Yeah, one of them green industrial belts. Yeah. Might work. Working on the lathe. Working on the drill press. Might work. Tool grinder. Amazing. Let me tell you something. I sharpened some of my my tools today. Look at these bad boys, man. Look at this. And I ain't even put them on the stone yet, right? I ain't even put it on the stone yet. The edge will cut you. And then we got this one here. Look at that. Look how. Oh my goodness, that bad boy turned out pretty good, man. I'm pretty proud of myself with that. Oh, proud of myself though, for doing a good job. Yep. Good job. I sharpened up a couple of these Jimmy Yanks too. Here's my gouge. My small gouge. I did that This. Nice and clean. Look at that. Oh my goodness. How did he do that? How did he do that? Shut up. I'll tell you how I did it. Right there. That thing is bad, boy. Them stones, them angle plates, the way that you can just position your tool on them. Oh man. I'm gonna tell you what, man. Every tool I look at these. Let me show you these for instance. Check these out. Look at these.